Can't access your messenger? Don't worry, I will show you how to reactivate it in seconds. First, open the Facebook Messenger app on your phone. Now, enter your Facebook email address or phone number along with your password. Next, tap on the login button to continue. As soon as you log in, your Messenger account will be automatically reactivated. You will instantly get access to all your chats and messages again. Before you go, remember, Messenger works together with your Facebook account. If your Facebook account is deactivated, Messenger may also stop working. Logging back in usually restores both. And that's it, super easy. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tips.